Good morning, student. Today we are going to start one new topic, adjustment of capital on the basis of new partner. In this case, we are going to see if new partner not coming with the capital, then how to going to calculate his capital beta. Okay, how to going to calculate his capital. On this system, mainly we are going to utilize ratios. Mainly we are going to utilize ratio. On the basis of ratio, we are going to calculate the new partner capital. Okay, beta? For that, I am going to take one question. Okay, and on the help of this question, I will try to make you understand how to solve the question when or how to utilize or take this type of case if in the question is given new partner coming without cash or without capital, or his capital is not given in question, then how we are going to calculate his capital. Okay, question number beta?
75.
It's a 75 beta. Okay, start.
Name and Chem.
Name and Kim beta. Name and Kim. N and K. Okay.
Sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2.
3:2 is the ratio. Okay.
Admit Prem as a partner with 1/3 share of
1/3. Okay.
He had to contribute corporate capital.
He had contribute corporate capital. Okay, but capital is not given. Okay, next.
They had fallen financial position.
Yes. Next.
They agreed to admit Prem as a partner on the following terms. First is plant and machinery to be reduced by 10%.
Okay. For that we are going to make the revaluation account. That is going to make the revaluation account beta. Okay. Just see how to make this revaluation account. How we are going to make this revaluation account. Okay. First is plant and machinery.
Is to be reduced by 10%.
By 10%, the value of plant and machinery, just see in balance sheet,
The plant and machinery value is
80,000. 10%, it means 8,000. I think you well known about how to make the revaluation beta. Okay, na? Next,
Stock to be increased by 3,000.
stock increase. It means which side beta? It means credit side. Okay, next,
Bad debtors provision has to be credited at 5%.
5%. Old provision is given or not? Any provision is given in balance sheet? See in balance sheet? Any provision? No provision beta. Okay? No provision is given. New provision 5%. So 5% on debtor. And debtor amount is?
Debtor amount is 60,000.
60,000. 5%, it means 3,000. Okay, next.
Accrued incomes not appearing in the books rupees 900.
Then this side, accrued income 900. Okay, next.
Prem was introduced to 20,000 as a premium for goodwill
Goodwill, it will come with the goodwill 20,000. Okay, next.
for 1/3 share of the future profits in the firm.
Okay, anything next?
No.
Next is given adjust the capital.
Prepare the profits and losses adjustment account capital accounts and balance sheets of the firm.
Okay.
Also calculate the
It means in revolution nothing more. Then we are going to calculate the profit and loss. 11,000 this side, 11,000 this side, 0, 0, 1. Okay, 10, 1, 4, 4 and 7. 7,100 loss is coming.
Yes.
By loss 7,100 and capital and K capital, just distribute this 7,100 in 3:2. Okay, beta? 3:2. Distribute 7,100 into 3/5, 7,100 into 2/5, 5, 1 ja 5, 21, 4 times 2, 0. Then multiply by 3, 0, 6, 2, 1 remain, 4. multiply by 2, 0, 4, 8, 2. Okay, 42602840. Okay, after this we are going to maintain the capital account. Okay, after this we are going to maintain the capital account. Just see how we are going to maintain the capital account, because all the things, all the calculation for the calculating of new partner capital, we are going to utilize capital account beta. Okay, and see how to make the capital account. Name, Kham and Prem. Name, Kham and Prem. Okay. First, what we are putting by balance BD is capital. Just tell about the capital of Name and Kham in balance sheet.
Capital name is 50,000 and Kham is 40,000.
50,000 and 40,000. Okay, beta. Then goodwill, distribute of this goodwill. Okay, I think you will remember this entry. If not remember, just I am putting here. Okay, just see. Entry goodwill. So goodwill account debit to Name capital and to Kham capital. Goodwill is 20,000. 3:2. It means 12,000 and 8,000. Okay. And on the basis of this, we are going to put the goodwill. The amount of goodwill is 12,000 and 8,000. Then this loss. To loss revaluation, that amount is 42602840. Okay, beta. Up to this is clear. We are just putting the all head which is given the question. By cash we are entered here, but first entry we are not doing, so we didn't know about the cash. Now we are going to calculate the cash. Okay, just see how we are going to calculate the cash of new partner by the taking of settlement of ratios. Okay, anything next given in the balance sheet?
Creditors 40,000.
No. Anything else for
Reserve fund
reserve fund? Goodwill
50,000.
50,000. Reserve fund 50,000. Just distribute this reserve fund 50,000. It means 30 and 20. Just see in asset side anything, any goodwill, any reserve, any workman compensation fund, investment fluctuating fund, anything is given?
Cash
Nothing?
and bank.
No use of cash on bank. Okay, beta. Only we are going to distribute what, beta? Goodwill, any goodwill, reserve, any other fund, but ignore the provident fund. Okay, investment fluctuating fund, workman compensation fund, profit and loss. Any profit and loss is given? No. Then we are going to calculate totaling of this. Okay. Just see. Total of this 40, 20, 60 nata 68,000. This side 80, 90, 92,000. Okay, take the balance. 92,000, 68,000. Then 2 balance CD. Take the difference, beta. 40, 40. Remain 1, 2, 3, 7, 0, 1, 5, 7, 5 and 7, 2, 1, 8. Okay, this side 6, 0, 1 remain, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 5, 8, 6. Okay, clear? It's a balance. Now see how we are going to calculate the capital of this Mr. P. Just see. I'm just roughing this lines. roughing this lines beta. Now see how to calculate this. Okay, just see. This is the total, this is the capital of N and K. Okay, this is the capital of N and K. So just calculate the total capital of N and K. That amount is 87740 plus 65160. What amount is coming? Tell me. 0 0 9 52,900. 1,52,900. Okay. Just see. 752. Okay. 6, 8, 14 and 1, 15. Okay. Clear? It's coming beta. Now we are taking the ratio of K and N plus K. The total ratio is 1 and new partner ratio is 1/3. Just less the new partner ratio. New partner ratio less means 2/3 remain. It means N plus K ratio is 2/3. N plus K ratio is what? 2/3. Clear beta? It's just calculate on the basis of ratio beta. 1/3. For P 1/3 and total ratio is 1. 1 less new partner ratio, the remain ratio for whom? For the N and K. For the N and name and Khem. So name and Khem ratio is what? 2/3. And name and Khem total capital is 1,52,900. It means one ratio or one settlement is there. If 2/3 is the ratio, then we needed 1,52,900. So if 1/3 ratio as like that, on the basis of 3/2, the old partner come with the capital of 1,52,900. So for the 1/3, how much amount taken by the new partner or Prem? Just calculate. 1/3 into 152,900 into just opposite 3/2. Cut this. 7 6 4 50. 76,450. Just see. Prem capital is given in answer 76,450. See it? Coming now beta? 76,450. It's coming now? Just put here only. 76,450. Now this question, this capital account is finished. This capital account is finished. Are you clear how we are going to calculate this? We are taking the base for the calculation of capital of new partner. The base is what? Ratio. First we are going to make the full capital account. Then we are taking the capital balance of old partner. Set with the ratio. If the ratio is 2:3, then old partner capital is 1,52,900. If the ratio 1/3, it's the new partner ratio. Then what capital needed? Then 76,450. Clear? Clear or not? Clear beta? Now we are going for the balance sheet. If this is clear, only this is the new for this topic. Only this, all this point is new. All this section is new for this topic. Other thing is old. Nothing new is there. Only this one. Okay. Now I am going for the balance sheet. Only rough the revaluation account and top things. I am going to make the balance sheet. This capital is showing in front of you because just see the capital and make yourself understand about this because it's very important. And in board, its question will come from this side. Okay, beta. Now I'm going for the balance sheet. Okay. Just start with the liability side. Capital, name, Kham and Prem. Name 87,740, 65,160 and 76,450. Okay beta? Clear? Total of this 0, 5. Okay? 10, 5, 15, 1, 5, 8, 9, 9, 4, 3, 1, 5, 6, 11, 1, 12 and 7, 9, 1, then 8, 9, 15, 22. 2,29,350. Anything is given up in liability side?
Yes.
Creditors journal.
Yes. 40,000.
Amount is?
40,000.
Anything else?
No.
Okay. Go for the asset side. Cash is given?
This cash at bank is 5,000.
5,000. Only 5,000. Okay, beta?
Debtors is
Okay, wait. 5,000. Then, in first entry, this amount and 20,000 more. That is the goodwill. This amount and 20,000 more for the first entry. That is what? Cash account debit to P capital to goodwill. Goodwill is 20,000. It's 76,450. Then 96,450. Okay. Then it's cash. So cash will add 96,450. Then 450, 6 and 5, 1,0450. Okay. Next.
debtors
Debtor amount is
60,000.
60,000 and provision 3,000. So less that provision, it means 57,000. Next.
Stock
Is stock amount
35,000.
35,000 and in revaluation stock will increase beta.
Yes.
What was going to stock?
3 by 3,000.
By 3,000. Add 3,000 means 38,000. Next.
Plant and machinery 80,000.
80,000 less 8,000 because depreciation is there. It means 72,000. Okay. And one accrued income na
Yes.
900.
Yes.
900. Okay. Go for totaling. Just I am making upside line. 0,53962. It's coming 2,69,350. 2,69,350. This side 053 because 9 and 4 3. 1 remain. 10 8 18. 18 1 9. Okay. 10 5 15 and 1 16 1 1 2. Okay. 2,69,350. Okay, beta. On this way we are going to solve the question. Balance sheet the old system, no problem. Only the new thing is coming in this capital, beta. Only the new thing is coming in this capital. Okay, beta. Clear or not? New thing is what? Only is coming in capital. Again, I like to explain these things because it's very important. How we are going to calculate the capital of new partner? How we are going to calculate beta? Capital of new partner. First we are going to make the revaluation, then capital account, and in this capital we are going to calculate the capital of old partner, then utilize the ratio. Okay? Then we are going to calculate the ratio of old partner, and then we are going to set if the ratio of old partner is this, then his capital is this. If the ratio of new partner is this, then what amount we needed and utilize this system. Okay? Clear beta? Again, totally make the revaluation, all the adjustment, then making the capital account, After making the capital account, we are taking the balance of old partner capital and then setting that balance total of the old partner capital, After totaling, we are going to set those things. Whole ratio is 1 less 1/3 for new partner. Then remaining ratio is related with the old partner. If the old partner ratio is 2/3 and the amount of old partner is 1,52,900, then if the new partner ratio is 1/3, so what amount needed? So 1/3 into 1,52,900 into 3/2. And when you are going to cut this amount to 76,450. 76,450 is the capital of new partners. Okay, beta? Clear of this question? Okay, thank you.